Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best carpentry squares that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Swanson Tool Co. S01 7-inch speed square. The Swanson Tool Co. S01 7-inch speed square is a pocket-sized tool that features multiple gradations for marking common, hip, valley, and jack rafters. It comes with a comprehensive guidebook and includes common features of 5 different tools, making it a versatile tool for every tradesman's tool bench. The 1 to 4-inch spaced scribing notches and the diamond cutout make it easy to use, and the black gradations against its non-glare, matte finish make for easy reading. It simplifies important tasks, and when used as a saw guide, it makes truing up a board easy. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Mr. Penn 12-inch aluminum speed square. The Mr. Penn speed square is a handy 12-inch tool designed to help you measure and mark angles precisely, making it ideal for roofing, framing, and woodworking tasks. Made from high-quality aluminum, it is lightweight so you can handle it easily, yet tough enough to resist rust and last through many projects. Its size offers a broad surface, which makes marking wide boards simpler and more accurate. Plus, the etched measurements and conversion tables stay clear and easy to read over time, so you won't have to worry about fading marks while you work. At number 3, we have the Thorvald 6-in-1 Master Square. Introducing the Thorvald Master Square, the ultimate 6-in-1 carpenter tool for woodworking enthusiasts. This versatile accessory combines a square, 2 protractors, 3 marking gauges, 2 rulers, a drill gauge, and a wrench, all in one convenient tool. With the Thorvald Master Square, you can save time and work smarter by easily measuring, tracing, and taking angles without the need for multiple tools. Made of 4 mm thick aluminum, this durable square features laser-engraved inscriptions that won't fade. The precise 1/16 graduations ensure accurate measurements for exceptional work. Plus, the included 2-in-1 carpenter pencil with a removable grip provides added comfort and versatility. Enjoy the convenience of having a whole toolbox in one square with the Thorvald Master Square. At number 2, we have the WORKPRO Rafter and Combination Square Toolset. The WORKPRO Rafter and Combination Square Toolset is a durable and user-friendly toolset for carpenters. The Rafter Square is made of heavy-gauge aluminum alloy and has permanent deep markings and white graduations for maximum readability. The Combination Square has a 12-inch stainless steel ruler with 3 types of minimum scale values. The lipped fence on the Rafter Square allows for easy bracing flush with wood, and the spring screw on the Combination ruler makes it easy to detach the ruler for measurement. The set is versatile and can be used for cross-cutting lumber with accuracy. And finally, at number 1, we have the Swanson S01 CB Speed Square Layout Tool. The Swanson Speed Square is a versatile carpentry tool that can be used in place of a tri-square, miter square, saw guide, line scriber, and protractor. With its easy-to-use design, this tool is perfect for both beginners and professionals in the roofing industry. It also includes the pocket-size Swanson Blue Book of rafter length and roof construction, providing valuable information for roofers. The Speed Square's compact size and multiple features make it an ideal companion for any roofing job. Whether you need to measure angles, mark lines, or determine rafter lengths, this tool has got you covered. Its convenience and versatility make it a must-have for any carpenter or roofer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.